Well, welcome back. And in this story titled Roga Nirnayaha, Rogasya Nirnayaha, Roga Nirnayaha. So this is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Nirnayaha means to conclude, to decide. Rogasya, of a disease. So to decide or conclude about a disease means the diagnosis of a disease. That is the meaning. Okay. Kripanandaha kaschana vaidyaha. Kripanandaha is name of a person who is a doctor. Kaschana vaidyaha, some doctor. Saha roginaha nadi hridayadin parikshya. Nadi hridayadin parikshya ante prichhati. Saha kaha, that Kripanandaha Vaidyaha Roginaha of the deceased person. Rogin is Nakaranda Shabdaha. So Rogi, Roginau, Roginaha. So here Roginaha is Shashti Ekavachana. Roginaha Nadi Hridaya Adin. Nadi cha Hridaya, that heartbeat and the pulses, Parikshya, having examined. So this is Lyap Shabdaha. Ante Prichati. In the end, he asks, Boho, O gentleman, Gatebhyaha Chaturubhyaha Dinebhyaha. Gatebhyaha Chaturubhyaha Dinebhyaha. For the past 4 days, Bhavane kim kim khaditavan iti vadatu. What are all the things you have taken, you have consumed? Like that you tell. Ekamapi na vismartavyam. You should not forget anything, not even a single item. Everything you ate in the past 4 days, you have to tell me. Yataha, because tat adharena tadadhere tadadha tat adharena tadadharena, that is based on that. Adhara is the base. Tat means that whatever bhojanam you have done for the 4 days. Aham roha karanam jnatum shaknomi iti. Why I ask you to tell is because tat adharena tadadharena eva, only on that basis aham roga karanam jnatum shaknomi, I can understand the reason of the roga. So here tat plus adharena tadadharena, so here it is jashva sandhi. Rogasya karanam roga karanam, here also shashti tatpurusha samasa. Anantaram rogi yad yat vadati, yat yat, here also yad yat, so the same jashva sandhi. Tat sarvam shrutva, having listened to all that which is told by the rogi, evam va, is it so? Idanim rogasya karanam jnatam. Now the reason of the disease is known. Etat aushadham swikarotu. You take this medicine. Aushadham means medicine. Rogaha shantaha bhavishyati. Iti uktva. The disease will subside. Shantaha bhavishyati means the disease will go. That is the meaning. Iti uktva, having told like that, Vaidyaha aushadham dhatva dhanam svikaroti. So the doctor gives medicine saying that you take this medicine and everything will be okay, and he takes money. Ratnakaraha Kripanandasya Shishyaha. So the assistant of this doctor, Ratnakaraha, he is Kripanandasya Shishya. Saha Gurohu Chikitsa Paddhatim Bahukalam Yavat Parikshya. Saha kaha, that Ratnakaraha, Kripanandasya Shishyaha, Gurohu Chikitsa Paddhatim, Paddhatim means paddhatim. Paddhati means the practice, the methods. Chikitsa paddhati, the method of treatment. Of whom? Gurohu, of the master. Bahukalam yavat pariksha, for a long duration, having examined how he is treating, ekada, once, gurum prishtavan, kaha, ratnakaraha, asked the guru, he Gurudeva, roginam चतुर्भ्यः दिनेभ्यः स्वीकृतस्य आहारस्य विषयं सर्वदा पृच्छति. O teacher or O master, roginam, to the rogi, चतुर्भ्यः दिनेभ्यः स्वीकृतस्य आहारस्य विषयं, the matter of the 4 days food, whatever they have taken, Sarvada Prichati Bhavan, you are always asking, Roga Nirnaye Yetat Kim Tavat Pradhanyam Arhati Iti. Roga Nirnaye, in deciding or concluding or diagnosing the disease, Yetat means Yetat Amsham, Chaturbhyaha Dinebhyaha Svikritasya Aharasya Vishayam Tatamsham kim tavat pradhanyam arhati. Is it that much important? Prominence, pradhanyam, prominence. Is it to be given so much prominence in diagnosing a disease? Like that, the Shishya asked. Tada Kripanandaha Hasan Muktavan. Then the doctor told in a smiling tone, Ahara Vyavastham Shrutva. Vyavastha means the way they are eating. Ahara Vyavastham Shrutva. Having heard the way they were eating for the past 4 days, Tesham Arthika Parishthitim Jnatum Shaknomi. So the doctor says, Ahara Vyavastham Shrutva. So by the different dishes and the food they are eating, having heard that, Tesham Arthika Paristhiti. Artha means wealth. Arthika means that is connected with wealth. This is Taddidanda Shabdaha, Arthika. Paristhitim Jnatum Shaknomi. So I can understand the financial condition of a patient from what they are eating. It's quite natural, correct? You are a rich person, then you eat rich. If you are a poor person, then you eat ordinary food and poor food. And it is a day-to-day activity, correct? A rich person, every day he may not buy gold. Every day he may not buy car. But every day he used to eat, whether he is a poor, beggar, rich person, everybody used to eat every day. From the food what they are eating, he came to know the financial position of that rogi, the diseased person. Tat anugunam, tadanugunam. Tadanugunam, taihi datavyasya shulkasya nirnayam karomi. So I decide the fees, shulka. Shulka means fees. I decide the fees according to the food they are eating. Etavadeva etasya rakhasyam iti uktavan, that Vaidyaha. So the doctor told them, this is only the secret of asking what they are eating since 4 days. Actually, it doesn't matter to the disease. Nice story. And this we should know. And today it is exactly happening. Based on your financial profile and the insurance claims you have, the doctors, they decide what are all the ways the diagnosis treatment is to be done. Correct? Always the money is taken towards health. The money what we are spending towards health It's it's really costly. Okay. It's a nice story. Hope you enjoyed it. I will meet you in some other news story. Take care. Bye bye.